Hi, friends.
Little Bay is a small town on the island of Newfoundland. With a population of about 100 people, Little Bay is located in Green Bay, part of Notre Dame Bay. Little Bay has a fascinating history. It was founded in 1878 after a local hunter, Robert Colborne, accidentally discovered a rich copper ore deposit. At its peak, the town had over 2,000 residents and was known as the unofficial capital of the northern mining region. The Little Bay mine was one of the top copper producers in the world and earned the town the nicknames, the Gem of the Island, and the El Dorado of Newfoundland. However, the mining operations eventually declined, and devastating fires in 1903 and 1904 caused many miners to leave. The population dropped to less than 200 people. Today, Little Bay stands as a testament to its once thriving mining industry and vibrant community.
watching.